everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how you start your crochet without a slip knot. Normally when you learn to crochet, people tell you to make a slip knot and then put that loop onto your hook to start your project. But that leaves a little bump at the bottom and you don't actually need that bump. You don't need that knot. You can take it out later, but you don't need it to begin with. Instead, just twist the loop and put it on your hook. Just a twisted loop. Now hold that loop twist in place and make your chains. Now you can see I've chained 4. When I work back, and I'm skipping that first chain, so I'm working some single crochets in here. And when I work back, I'm going to work right into that very first chain right there. It's a little fiddly, but you can do it. And there you go, I have a row without any slip knot. And you can pull on this tail to tighten it up. Once you weave in this tail, it will be just as secure as if you'd had a knot to begin with. So that's how you start your crochet without a slip knot. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.